Have you ever thought of reaching your destiny after overcoming a lot of social boundaries and adversities? This poem, Beethoven by Shane Koexen, talks about this very concept. Our Canadian poet and very celebrated because of his powerful and his artistic acclaim inspires students to embrace all kinds of their creativities despite of the adversities they face in their way. In this poem, we are going to deal that how Koexen's work transcends traditional boundaries by addressing vital social issues. The theme explores resilience and pursuit of dreams, overcoming adversity. The poetic style revolves around imageries and emotional depth, creating a resonant tone. And this resonant tone, obstacles faced by the protagonist, resonates in the mind of our students who get inspired that if a person with so many obstacles and adversities can attain such height, then why not us? We deal with various kinds of imageries, metaphors and similes, which creates mental pictures allowing the students to emotionally connect with the poem and the poet. The rhyme and the rhyme scheme creates almost a music. The concept of music brought forward by the rhyme scheme resonates with the concept of this whole poem and the life of an artist or a musician. We also have various alliterations and assonances, gives a depth and literary quality to our poem. His life exemplifies the strength of human spirit, the humanness of the humans. Also deals with the power of music and art. When you delve into something unimaginatively creative, then anything, any magic can happen. And Beethoven is an example. We deal with various kinds of difficult vocabularies, like the word ivory refers to the white material used on the piano reeds. Knurled refers to the twisted and naughty and rough. As people age, they become twisted and naughty. Precious tool, the phrase, has been used for Beethoven's hearing or eardrum. Armada. Armada means a fleet of warships amputated the legs of the piano. The piano has been personified and the stand is actually called to be its legs. We also have the Tower of Babylon, which is an illusion taken from the biblical story solar systems into symbols, which means a cosmic metaphor illustrating the immense power and scale of Beethoven's music, which can transcend you to the solar system, to the stars. Crescendo, which actually means the gradual increase of loudness of music. Tangible, which is meaning capable of being touched in real or actual. So through this poem, what I can tell you is that let his work inspire you, because even in the deepest of silences, the symphony in us can still resound.